Hi guys, Big Mix Models back again with another update, part 4 of the Panzer Kpfw1B or IB. As you know, in the last video we fitted the two parts of the hull together. We fitted the tracks on the front, we fitted the front fenders, some lights, some anchor points, and some armour on the front of the actual main tank. So that's basically what we are up to at this stage, part 4. I'm going to put that to one side for today. I'm going to concentrate on building the main turret because I've got a lot of little bits here that are no-go for the turret and I don't want to get them lost. So I'm going to skip the part that I said I was going to do and do the main turret. I know it's chucking us backward and forwards, but with these bits lying on here, I just don't want to get them lost. So we'll concentrate on the turret for today, or for this part. What's them parts out? I need the it looks like an exhaust. Oh, it looks like an exhaust. So I need that. Don't you jump off that table. That's that. And we need this part just here. It looks like a cage. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we need the 2 guns, which are just here. So we've got us parts. So first of all, we'll go around and clean up where we've removed them from the sprue, as normal. Most of the time, bits that don't fit very well is actually down to not cleaning them up properly. Don't get me wrong, you do get some kits where they are really bad fit, and you do have some real good bad fit issues. But some of the time, I've noticed that because things have not been cleaned up properly, it gives you bad fit problems as well. And even if it's only one drawer of the sanding stick, just to get rid of that little bit of an edge. That little bit of an edge can cause you so much grief on the fitting part that it could take you hours to get that bit right, and for 2 seconds it's well worth it. Okay, so they're tidied up. Right, so basically we put this together like so. My thoughts of an exhaust is totally wrong. Oh, that's that bit. And this bit fits behind this bit, like so. And that's what the guns fit into. And that bit. That's supposed to be on that. I'll just remove those little bits off there. And that slots in a lot better. Okay. pegs up? Oh wow, pegs need to go up. Why don't the pegs go up? I don't know. There must be a reason for that. Okay, this is going to be a little runt of a fit, but no, I've got to go in first. So that has to fit in there first, and then that fits over the top of there. But if you're not careful, you push the whole thing out. And cause yourself a lot of problems. I want that to turn a little bit more. That's cool. Okay. Now look at the base ring. Make sure, like so. And holds it all together. Dee, 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 dee. Okay, we're looking somewhere like we've got a bit of a turret made. Yeah, this is, I don't know how you guys are enjoying this, watching me actually build. I've had some great comments on the first part, but you know, if these videos are too long, could you let me know? Or if you know you want them a bit longer, or what have you? Because I myself like no better than to sit down. It's like when Chris and Alex was doing this. I love sitting down watching their videos. The longer the better, because you really get into that build, and it feels like you know you're actually there. That might sound daft, but that's how it gets me. And it gets me in the mood to want to go out and build something. I've got nothing on the bench and I'm watching a video like that, it's like, oh, I've got to go out, I've got to get something done, I've got to build something. You know, it gets my mojo going again. Because I'm seeing other people producing all these great models, and I'm wanting to get one out myself. So yeah, just let me know what you think. Longer, shorter, longer. Whenever waffle on about rubbish a bit more. Anything. Anything that you think could help. Constructive criticism, some people call it. I accept it all. Because I think, you know, if somebody out there is trying to help you and help progress with what you're doing, you shouldn't take that as criticism. You should take that as help. And that's what I think more people need to understand, that if you think somebody's put a negative thought, it might sound negative, but it might be looked upon as advice in another way. So just take everything in your stride, and I look at everything as positive feedback. Even if somebody says something they don't like, something, I'm like, well, you know, I'm sorry, but if you don't like it, then, you know, there's probably been 10, 15 other people that's watched that video that's liked it. So 10 to 1 gives me a boost. The majority of the people liked it, so there you go now. Okay, that's the turret made. Finished. The little thing. I know we've got a couple of got a door to put on the top. Put that on now, and then that can be popped off the primer. And another part done. I don't know what you guys think about the salting method. If anybody out there's done it or thought about doing it, or got any tips on what I should be doing and shouldn't be doing with it, then pop them in the bottom in a message or something, and I accept all help, as I think everybody does in this game. It's a matter of help each other, and you know, you can't do any more than that. But I've just got to get a drink. It's so humid today, it's unreal. After the thunder, the rain all stopped, and looks like it's turning out warm again. I suppose that's the benefits of living by the coast. You never know what the weather's going to be like. Hot, cold, rain, snow, sunshine, rain, except rain. Oh, it's better. So guys, as you can see, when that is placed upon the tank, that is what we're going to be looking at. I'll take that back off for now there because it's still a little damp. And it's going to need a coat of primer. So remember the tip about the old sponges? Don't throw them away when you've used them up. And they can't sand anything else because they come in handy. There you go. Piece of blue tack under there, a toothpick in, and that'll hold your pot. Loads of pot where you spray it, loads of pot where you work on it, and they cost you nothing because you've already got them and used up the sand inside of it. And you know, wash it straight away. Well, I've got a little bit more time left in this video. We'll go back and put a few more bits on the actual main tank. Now that's all dried off. Okay, we need the back plate for the exhaust manifolds and things, which is just here. Take that off. And quick clean up. And that plate goes in just there. Lovely fit. My gosh. That is just one hell of a fit. So I'll glue that in there. No point dislodging it again if it's dropped straight into place. So, okay, exhaust system. Heat screws when they get caught together. Bloody annoying things. There's the main cam. Okay, that's the main cam. Okay, exhaust fitted. Oh no, we're not. We fell off again. The arse. as we're looking at it at this dimension, there's a plate on the plate that goes there. Big armour plate as well. Look at it. There's that. Look at it. That must be the two armour. It's the two armour platings for the side. So they can go on. One, two. There. First of all, let's give them a quick rub over. I mean, doing it this way as well, by giving it a coat of primer, you can actually see the parts that are being fitted because it's a different grade, and hopefully that's going to help you see how we're getting on with the build. It's like different grade there, different grade on the side there, and on the side there. Oh, I've got there. According to this, it fits like that. What's it that way? Oh, it's that way. Right. Fit on there. Okay. Whatever this is, I do not know. It's not on that sprue. It's on this one. Some sort of an exhaust system again. But I don't know. It's just a part, but if they're going through water, you can add on. Oh, no idea. It definitely looks like a piece of exhaust. On this shit. Goes to the front. Oh, it goes into there. Into there. That's air. That's for oxygen. So, look. Yes, I think it is. I think it's take air down into the cabin below, so they can actually breathe when everything is shut up. That's good. You know where that fits. Just there. So I'll get that placed on there first. And then in position. Okay, we'll get in there. We'll definitely get in there. Oh, we've got the two fenders that can go on. Something like that. Like so. And on there you go. What? Okay. There we go. That's the back fenders on. Okay, guys, you can see that we've got all the back fenders in. We've got some sort of carrying device of a plate in, exhaust and back plate. And we've got the air intake for the cab, and we've built the turret. So I'm going to leave it at that for this video and call that number 4. And keep your eyes out for number 5. I'll catch you on the next video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.